So let's have real talk for just 1 second. If you've ever watched somebody day trade online and thought, okay, that looks easy, or maybe the flip side, that looks stressful, I know that I would mess this up, then this video is for you. Because here's what nobody tells you about day trading in 2026. Everybody's got a screenshot. Everybody's got a Lamborghini background. Everybody's got a strategy. But 90% of people don't have the one thing that actually makes money: discipline. And discipline, that is the real flex. So today, I'm breaking down day trading for beginners. What it actually is, what it absolutely is not, how people really make money, and how to start without blowing your account or your confidence. This is not going to be any hype or any fairy tales, just the real game. And stick around, because in about 8 minutes, I'm going to tell you the one mistake that costs beginners more money than anything else. So let's talk about what day trading actually is and what it's not. So let's get honest about something first. Day trading is not passive income. If you want to make money while you sleep, then this ain't it. Day trading is active. It's you showing up. It's you making decisions in real time. You managing your emotions in real time. You taking responsibility in real time. So think of it like being a surgeon. Every cut matters. Every decision has consequences. So here's the technical definition. Day trading means you open and close trades in the same day. You're not holding overnight. You're trading price movement, small moves with intention. But here's what it's not. It's not about clicking buttons because somebody in Discord said buy now. It's not copying screenshots from Instagram. It's definitely not turning $200 into $20,000 in 30 days. Day trading is a skill-based business. And businesses require systems, they require rules, and they require emotional maturity. The people who are making consistent money, they treat this like a profession, not a lottery ticket. So let's talk about who day trading is really for and who should pause. So let me love you enough to tell you the truth. Day trading is for people who are willing to show up even when it's boring. Practice when nobody is watching. Take small losses without spiraling. Follow rules even when their emotions are loud. And for people who treat this like a profession, not a scratch-off ticket. But here's who should pause. Day trading is not for people who need fast money to fix their life problems. For people who hate structure and rules. For those who get bored quickly and are looking for easy money. So if you're in survival mode financially, day trading may feel tempting, but the pressure makes people break rules. And broken rules break accounts. So I've seen brilliant people, doctors, lawyers, executives lose thousands of dollars because they bought on desperation instead of discipline when they were trading. Your financial stability should come before you start trading, not from trading. So here are the 5 building blocks every real trader has. So let me simplify this entire game for you. Every profitable trader that I know has these 5 things, and beginners who skip any of these, they struggle. So number 1, a strategy. Not 5, not 10, 1. Something you wait for, something you recognize, like learning to parallel park. You practice one method until it's automatic. 2, risk management. This is where grown traders are made. You don't win by how much you make. You stay in the game by how well you lose small. And number 3, a trading plan. When you trade, how many trades max are you taking? When you stop for the day, your rules protect you from yourself. Listen. And number 4, psychology. Can you follow the rules when you're winning? And can you walk away when you're losing? Can you avoid revenge trading? Number 5, clean execution. Knowing is one thing. Executing without hesitation or FOMO, that's a whole nother game. And speaking of execution, in just a minute, I'm going to show you what beginners should actually be trading in 2026. So now let's talk about skill plus rules plus discipline and how those things equal consistency. So let's talk about what beginners should trade in 2026. So let me save you a headache and probably some money. As a beginner, your job is simplicity. You do not need 20 different tickers to trade all day long, 5 different strategies, every hot stock on social media, but here's what you do need. Pick 1 or 2 highly liquid instruments. So think the 𝗝y, 𝗵𝗵𝗂, things that move predictably and have tight spreads. Pick 1 time window, maybe just the first hour of the market open. That's it. Pick 1 core setup, 1 pattern that you're going to master. Then repeat it again and again and again. It's like learning how to cook. You don't start by trying to master every single cuisine. You perfect making peanut butter and jelly first. So your edge comes from seeing the same setup so many times that you stop guessing and you start recognizing. So here's some beginner mistakes that will humble you fast, all right? This is the promise section, right? So, okay, here are the mistakes that cost beginners more money than anything else. Mistake number 1, over trading. Just because you can trade doesn't mean that you should. Quality over quantity, always. Mistake number 2, no stop loss. Listen, okay? Hope is not a strategy, ever. If you can't take a small loss, the market will give you a big one, okay? Mistake number 3, trading your emotions. Green days make people arrogant. Red days make people reckless. Both destroy accounts. Mistake number 4, strategy hopping, being all over the place. If you change strategies every week, you'll stay a beginner literally forever. Consistency requires commitment. Mistake number 5, not journaling. If you don't track your trades, you're repeating mistakes in the dark. So listen, the market does not care about your bills, your dreams, or your ego. It only responds to discipline. Now, let's talk about how much money you really need to start. So let's normalize something that might surprise you. You do not need a huge account to learn. You need enough to practice discipline correctly. Your first goal is not to get rich. Your first goal is to stay in the game long enough, okay, to get good. Think percentages, not dollars. Can you follow rules with a small size? Can you take losses without unraveling? Can you build consistency before you scale? So start small. Trade like your account is 10 times smaller than it actually is. Scale comes after discipline, always. But here's what I've learned. People who can't manage $1,000 responsibly won't magically become disciplined with $10,000. So a simple beginner path that actually works. So let's talk about this. Here's the exact playbook that I give to beginners. Step number 1, learn 1 setup. Master the basics. Step number 2, practice in simulation until you are bored, all right? Step number 3, trade small, smaller than you think. Step number 4, journal every single trade that you take. Step number 5, increase size after consistency, not after one good day. That's it. If you think that's boring, okay, all right. But is it effective? Absolutely. So I had a student who paper traded for 3 months. She thought it was too slow. But when she went live, she was profitable from day 1 because she already built the discipline. So this is how you turn chaos into skill. This is how you build something that lasts. So let's talk about the identity shift. Now this is the real secret. Let me tell you the part that nobody markets. You don't become a profitable trader by collecting indicators. You don't become a profitable trader by finding the perfect strategy. You become profitable by becoming the type of person who follows rules under pressure. So this is an identity shift. From impulsive to intentional, from emotional to discipline, from hoping to executing, from amateur to professional. Your account changes when you change. The charts don't care about your personality, but your personality determines how you respond to the charts. So if you're serious about day trading in 2026, then respect this skill. This is a skill that you build, a system that you follow, a mindset that you train. So go ahead and drop beginner in the comments below if you want me to create the next video breaking down my recommended beginner setup, my exact trading plan template, and how to build your first trading journal. And go ahead, hit subscribe as well, because we're not chasing trades over here. We're building repeatable skills that create real freedom, and we're doing it together. So come on, welcome to the game and welcome to the family.